What's up, everybody? We're back here to cover another WordPress plugin. This one is off the chains. If you ever need to make a table, I'm going to cover TablePress with you. This one is the one you need. As you can see right here, it sorts it for you, so you don't have to do a lot of the technical stuff to get this thing going the way you want it to get going. If you ever need to make a table, this is the plugin for you. Um, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set it up. That was just a demo on their site. As you can see, I already have it loaded up here on my WordPress site. So we go to Add New, and we're going to do NFL QBs Week 1 stats. So as you can see here in the description field, it's optional right there. We got the number of rows, the number of columns. So I'm only going to do 2 rows here, actually 3 rows. And you have to keep in mind that one of the rows is going to be the header row. So I'm only going to do 2 rows right there. We're going to do columns. So I'll do, let's say, 3 columns, just kind of the sake of this video, just to make it short. We're going to click Add Table. As you can see, it has a number of different options. You can import and export spreadsheet in here. So what we got here is NFL QB stats week 1, table ID. This is number 4, so it's the 4th one I've tried so far. So right here, I have it pulled up already. These are the QBs from week 1 and the points that they've scored. So we're going to go with not Peyton Manning there. What we're going to do is we're going to go Peyton Manning here. On the first tab, this is on the top, when we're going to put players, and we're going to do TDs, and let's go fantasy points. Okay, those are the stats we're going to track right here. So we've only got the top 2 right there, so you can pick as many as you want. So as it stands right now, as of week 1, it's Eli and Peyton Manning. So we're going to do Eli right underneath it. Let's look at the QB. Let's look at the TDs. So right here, TDs are 7 and 4. So we're going to do 7 here, 4 there. And the point system in my fantasy league is a little bit different than most people's, but we got 511 and 363. 11, 363. And right here, it gives you a whole wealth of other things that you can add into it. So I won't go into all that. We're just going to do like a simple, really simple one here so far right now. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to do a link real quick. So I'm going to copy that painting one. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to hit insert link. And right here, please check the cell you want to add the link to. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click that. I'm going to go over here to Peyton. I'm going to pull up a new screen for Peyton. I'm going to copy that page, and I'm going to put the URL right in there. So I'm going to I'm going to copy Peyton's name again. Go back here. I'm going to put it into the text. So this text will have a link to it, and we're going to hit open link in a new tab or window. So we don't want to take people away from our page when they click on Peyton's name. We want them to be able to see his stats from another website. So we're just going to do that. Add link. So there you see the link right there is live. It's ready to go. So all we're going to do now is save changes. So now the changes are saved. We're going to go to new post. So we got a new post open up here. So we're going to do again NFL QBs week 1. And let's say fantasy points and TDs. Okay? So right here we have the WordPress TablePress right here. So we go ahead and click that TablePress, and it's going to pull up all the tables that we've created so far. So that's the one we need right there, the stats. Insert shortcode, and then we're going to publish. This is what we're going to do. So once it has been published, we're going to view the post. Let it load up, and there's your table right there, complete link and all. So we're going to click Peyton Manning, and boom, it brings up Peyton Manning's page right there. Pretty simple, very simple. Actually, not pretty simple, but very simple, very easy. And you can see here as I click fancy points, it toggles back and forth. It sorts the TDs. It sorts the name by ascending and descending order. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. So go ahead and snatch this up. You want to get this. You want this one if you're doing tables. I can't think of one that's better.